Hey everyone, it's Community Manager Control Roleplay Solutions here today to explain the shift module. First and foremost is the shift manage command. This can be run by all your configured moderator roles. This is for staff to self-toggle whether or not they're on a shift and to log that. So when your staff member types /shift manage, they'll be greeted with this prompt which explains the buttons. It will then show how many shifts they've been on in total and how much total time they've accumulated on shift in your server. They can then click Start Shift, Break Shift or End Shift, which obviously do what each of the buttons say. When you are not on any shift, the only button you can click is Start Shift. When you are on a shift, the only buttons you can click are Break or End Shift. When you click Start Shift, if you have a configured staff on duty role, they'll be applied to the moderator, and then a log will be sent to your configured logging channel. This will include things like the shift ID, when it was started, etc. If your moderator wants to break or end a shift, simply type shift manage again, and they can click either break or end shift. When you end a shift, the configured staff on duty role will be taken from the moderator, and the embed in your logging channel will be edited to include their shift duration, their break duration, whether they clocked in or out, and some user details. This is a similar process for breaking, so once they have clocked onto a shift, when they type shift manage again, they can then break a shift. To unbreak or unpause a shift, click break again, and then they can end the shift. This time on the embed it will show that they did have a 5-second break duration. The second command is /shift admin, which is runnable by all management staff. This command allows management staff to force change all shifts that moderators have logged or to log shifts for them. So the shifts button will show all previous shifts that a moderator has logged. Start shift will forcibly set a user on shift. Toggle break will make a user have to go on break, and once they are on a shift, this button will be replaced with end shift, and that's obviously to force them off a shift. Delete shift can delete a shift permanently from the server storage. This is with the shift ID that is in those logs, and modify much the same. Once you provide the bot with the shift ID you want to modify, you can then add or take time. So on the shifts page, you can obviously see all these different shifts that the moderator has accumulated. This text up here in the block markdown is the shift ID. You can copy that, and on shift admin, when you want to delete a shift, you can send that. On shift admin again, if you would like to modify a shift, click modify, provide an ID. You can click duration to modify duration. To add time, you simply put the number. If you want to take time, you put a takeaway sign before the number. So to add 1 minute, simply type 1. The shift active command shows all current staff who are on shift. Obviously at the moment no one is on shift in this server. The shift leaderboard command shows your top 10 staff who have the top 10 amounts of shifts and time on shift, and then this text here will show all of your staff shifts. Shift wipe is a command that can only be run by the owner or administrators in the server. There is a 2-step process to be able to use it. They have to arm the embed, and then they can click clear shifts. This will delete all shift information from your server's data store on the bot. This means that no shifts will show up on shift admin, and this is irreversible. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any more concerns about the shift module, feel free to join our support server in the Discord below, and we'll be more than happy to help you. Thanks for watching.